Universe.
Go.
Genesis 1:1. In the beginning, God created the heaven and earth.
Huwag kang tatawa. Go.
Genesis 1:1. In the beginning, God created the heaven and earth. James 1:17. Every good and perfect gift comes from above. Isaiah 9:6. For unto us a child is born, to us a son is given. In the government he will be on his shoulders, and he will be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace. Oh, that was!
Tuloy niya pa, tuloy.
Wala na.
Meron Psalms 23.
Psalms 23. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still water. He restores my soul. He leads me in the path of righteousness. For this day sake, yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your right and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me.
Bakit may ganun? Ano pa? Ano pa?
And I will dwell in the house of the God forever. Bye-bye!
Ano pa?
Wala na!